The F32 error code on a cooktop indicates that the door's pyrolytic cleaning lock is not closing. This issue can be caused by foreign objects stuck in the door hinges, incorrect self-closing program settings, or a faulty control board or loose connections. To resolve the issue, start by removing any foreign objects that may be obstructing the door. Unplug the cooktop, open the appliance door, and check the hinges and surrounding areas for any blockages. If the door closes properly after removing the objects, plug the cooktop back in and check if the error code persists. Another solution is to power cycle the cooktop. Switch it off, unplug it, and let it cool down for about 5 minutes before plugging it back in and turning it on to see if the error code appears again. If the issue remains, inspect the control board by switching off the appliance, unplugging it, and removing the top section to examine all connections and tighten any loose ones. Consider replacing the control board if it appears damaged. If none of these solutions work, it may be necessary to call a technician to diagnose and repair the appliance.